Everyone, today I want to show you how to change a hardwired smoke detector. So I took the old smoke detector off so far, and you can see that there's the original plug and the mounting bracket. First, we're going to want to take off the mounting bracket here. Alright, we want to pull this wire out. Now, note beforehand that you should cut your breaker to this, that way there's no power going to it. Once we have the wires out here, depending on what your new setup is, you should receive a new plug here, so you can just follow the same leads and rewire them. We'll remove the old wire nuts. So this one, it goes to the red. I just like to do them in order, just so that way there's not too much question in it. All right, now that all the wires are connected, you should be good to go. So we want to push these wires back up into the box. Perfect. So the next step will be to grab the faceplate cover, the mounting cover for your new smoke detector. So I have the X-Sense, which I picked up from Amazon. This has the carbon monoxide and smoke detector, both in one, and it's really kind of what I recommend. If you are interested in this, I'll have a link in the description below for them. So we want to grab our screws, and we will mount this new plate, and on the plate you can see that it says wall side. So there's no wall here, but this would indicate that we want to put it on the box side. You don't want to over tighten these, or else it'll cause this plate to warp. And if you do that, then your smoke detector won't fit on it correctly. So once that plate's on, all you have to do is grab your new smoke detector, and on the inside here you'll see that there's 3 pins. That is where this will plug into. So it'll sit straight down and then pop towards you. Well, we know that it works. All right. Now that we have it plugged in, all we have to do is push it up and screw it onto the mount. And once it's on the mount, you're good to go. If you thought this video is useful, please leave a thumbs up. Thank you.